So I'm gonna head out here in a little bit. Gonna go to this wash called the Moores Gulch. So we're gonna check it out. All right, I'm down here in the big wash. Check this out, all bedrock. This is all on the inside bend of it, which is where you want to be. But look at this, quartz cropping. All these quartz veins running through. Look at all that. It's all dirt. Just from this big ass wash running, pushing material in between all the cracks. And it goes pretty far down. So yeah, that's good. That's what you want. Look how deep that went. That went pretty damn deep. That's good. All right, guys, back at the Can-Am. Got a bunch of bedrock dirt in here. I'm just gonna leave it in there. I got 2 test bags, 2 from the culvert or from the bridge area. That other one is from this little tributary right there. Still muddy, I'll drain that out. I work it down, work it down. Look at that. Let's see here. Look at that, that's from bedrock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Look at that piece. See how coarse that is? It could have came from super close by. Probably right on, maybe on that bedrock with all the quartz veins. But check that out. Watch that gold just travel right down there. Look at that. This up. That was just a little bit in there. And now we got that stuff from the conglomerate bedrock. And then both from underneath the freeway. Sweet.